Is AI really transforming the workplace? Or is it just a smart way to justify restructuring? The conversation around AI has clearly shifted. It's no longer just about innovation, it's about intent. As organizations rapidly invest in AI, automation is accelerating, roles are evolving, and employees are starting to feel uncertain. And this is where HR plays a critical role. Today, HR is not just about hiring, it's about balancing technology, talent, and most importantly, trust. Because the real question is, are we using AI to empower people, or to quietly replace them? AI should empower people, not replace purpose. What do you think? Is AI an opportunity, or a threat? For daily updates, follow HR Buzz Daily.